Atrum Coal is an Australian-listed company which is developing the world-class Elan hard coking coal project in the Crowsnest Pass region of southern Alberta, Canada. Elan is a Tier 1 hard coking coal asset, which possesses the potential for multiple large-scale mining operations. Elan is located in one of the world's most important coking coal basins, the Western Canada Sedimentary Basin, which contains over 90% of Canada's coal resources. Recent test work has demonstrated that Elan coal ranks amongst the top global hard coking coals, which is a key commodity used in the blast furnace steelmaking process. To the west of Elan is Teck Resources' Elk Valley Complex, a series of 4 hard coking coal mines which employ around 4,000 people and supply major steelmakers around the world. Elk Valley produces approximately 25 million tons per annum, including some of the highest quality hard coking coal globally. Atrum's project area is one of the largest coal-bearing tenement holdings in the region, covering 230 square kilometers and includes the key development areas of Isolation South and Elan South. The 54,000 meters of drilling completed by Atrum over the past 2 years has driven the 454 million ton total coal resource at Elan, and this figure is expected to grow with further drilling. The geology consists of multiple coal seams of the Mist Mountain Formation, which are the same coal seams mined by Teck at the nearby Elk Valley coal mines. The target coal seams are shallow and can range to in excess of 100 meters cumulative thickness. 230 million tons of Elan's coal resources is contained within the Isolation South area, which is expected to form the initial site of the proposed future mining development. A scoping study completed in April 2020 included 2 development scenarios for the Elan project: a 7.5 million tons per annum mining and processing operation producing 4.5 million tons per annum of hard coking coal, and a larger 10 million tons per annum operation producing 6 million tons per annum of hard coking coal. The study showed that the development of Elan is expected to deliver highly attractive financial returns with operating costs in the lower second quartile of the global export coking coal cost curve. Initial development is planned to include conventional shovel truck open-pit mining, adjacent to a coal handling and preparation plant at Isolation South. Planned processing of coal at Elan is a conventional processing plant utilizing dense media cyclones, reflux classifiers, a flotation circuit, and a product drying plant. Product yields are expected to be at least 60% based on clean coal test work. Product hard coking coal is then set to be transported from the coal processing plant to the existing rail mainline about 40 kilometers to the south. Existing rail infrastructure to existing ports has surplus capacity, which is a key advantage for Elan compared to other greenfield hard coking coal developments around the world. Elan coal is expected to access ample available rail network capacity to handle the entire coal production from the project on an ongoing basis. 3 world-class export coal terminals, West Shore, Ridley, and Neptune, are located on Canada's west coast. Several terminals are expected to collectively have sufficient capacity to ship Elan coal to major steelmakers around the world. A pre-feasibility study on the Elan project commenced in 2020 and is expected to be completed by mid-2021. Following the completion of the pre-feasibility study, Atrum will initiate the permitting process with regulators. The approval process is expected to take about 2 years to complete. Best practice environmental management is a core value of Atrum. Environmental baseline studies are underway in order to provide the ability to develop strategies to minimize impacts from any future mine development. Making a positive local contribution is an essential part of our approach to business, and since 2018, Atrum has been engaging with a range of local stakeholders, including communities, First Nations groups, government, and regulators. Atrum will be broadening and deepening these conversations as the development of Elan progresses. Development of Elan is expected to create several hundred local full-time jobs and provide a significant economic contribution to Alberta, including provincial royalties in the hundreds of millions of dollars to be paid over the life of the mine. Atrum has a responsible, committed, and experienced team with global mining industry expertise who are diligently steering the Elan project towards development. For more information on Atrum and its Elan project, please visit the Atrum website